me start with a simple truth. Your credit profile is like your name. When people see it, they decide who you are before they even talk to you. And if you want your credit name to carry power, if you want lenders to respect you, if you want funding to come easier, then you need the right cards sitting on your profile. Today, I'm going to show you the 2 cards that can change everything. 2 cards that add real weight, real trust, and real strength to your credit profile. And here's the best part. You don't need an 800 score to start. You don't need perfect history. You just need a strategy. Well, before we get started, I want you to do me a favor and subscribe to this great channel. Hit that notification bell so every time we upload great content just like this. Now, let me teach you this so that you are positioned to win. I remember talking with a young man one day. He said, Dwayne, I have a 680 credit score, so how come I can't get the big limits? I smiled and said, because credit is not about the number on the screen. Credit is about the story behind the number. And that's the part most people forget. You see, lenders want to know if they can trust you. They want to know if your credit profile has history, strength, and proof that can handle responsibility. Your score tells one story, but the cards on your profile tell the full story. Some cards are weak, some are mid-level, but some carry power. And today we're talking about the 2 that bring real weight to your credit report: Capital One and Chase Bank. These 2 cards, when added at the right time, can open doors that many people fight for years to get open. So let's break this down in a simple, clear way so you understand why these cards matter and when to get each one. So why Capital One is the perfect builder card? You see, Capital One is one of my favorite cards for people in the mid 600 credit score range. Why, you ask? Because Capital One is like a good mentor who steps in early and says, let me help you grow strong. They meet you where you are. They teach you how to manage credit, and they trust you before other banks will. Let me give you the big 3 reasons why Capital One is the perfect card to get when you're rebuilding or growing from the 600s. Reason number 1. They welcome people who are still building. Most banks want you to be perfect before they approve you. They want high scores, long history, and a clean profile. Capital One is different. They understand that people grow. They understand that people change. And they understand that everyone needs a starting point. No matter all the stuff you hear in the news, I'm talking about what builds a profile. So they'll often approve you when your score is in the mid 600s. Your history is not long. You have a few bumps in the past. That makes Capital One a powerful first step, real credit strength, if that's what you're looking for in your profile. When they put their name on your profile, lenders say, oh, you got Capital One. You're doing something right. Reason 2, their cards report to all 3 bureaus with strong weight. Capital One is one of the few banks that reports to all 3 credit bureaus with strong consistency. This matters because you get equal growth on Experian, equal growth on Equifax, equal growth on TransUnion. And when all 3 bureaus see activity at the same time, your entire credit profile gets stronger. Think of it like working out both arms, not just one. Your whole body grows, not just one side. Capital One gives your whole credit body strength. Reason 3, they prove you can handle a major bank's trust. Capital One is not a small bank. They're a major nationwide lender. When a major bank trusts you, that trust shows up on your profile, and lenders pay attention. It's like having a respected reference on a job resume. When a big name says, yes, we trust them, the world listens. That approval says you can handle a real credit card, you can manage limits, you know how to use credit well, you are ready for more. This is why Capital One adds real weight to your profile. People go after card. I'm telling you, you don't need it. You've got to have the weight. But here's the part that most people really miss. Capital One is your builder card. They help you enter the game. They help you rise. They help you grow. But when you reach the 700s, it's time to level up. And that's when Chase steps in. Why Chase Bank is the perfect power card, especially for credit in the 700s. Let me tell you the truth. Chase is a different league. Chase is like the honor roll table in school. Only the students who have proven themselves get invited to sit there. When Chase adds their name to your profile, your whole credit picture changes. And Chase is one of the strongest banks a lender looks for when you're trying to get your business funded. Here are the 3 reasons why you want Chase on your profile when your score reaches the 700s. First, Chase approves higher limits more often. Chase is one of the banks that truly respects strong credit. When they see a good score, low utilization, a clean history, they reward you with bigger credit limits. Higher limits help you score because they make your utilization drop, and low utilization is one of the fastest ways to raise your score. But more than that, higher limits prove to lenders that you can handle real money. A 50,000 limit may look okay. A 15,000 limit looks powerful, but a 30,000 limit looks fundable. And Chase is one of the best at giving real limits to people who manage credit the right way. Reason 2, Chase cards carry heavy weight on a profile. There are some banks that lenders look and say, that's nice. Then there are banks that lenders look and say, this person is serious. Chase is one of those banks. When lenders see Chase Freedom, Chase Sapphire, Chase Inc., Chase Preferred, they know you've earned your way into a stronger level of credit trust. Chase banks don't just give away cards. They want good scores, good payment history, good credit behavior. So when Chase says yes to you, lenders automatically view you as lower risk and higher value. That's how weight works. Reason 3, Chase opens the door to funding and business credit. Here's a truth most people don't know. Chase is often the key that unlocks real business funding later. Why, you ask? Because Chase is strict. If you can get approved by Chase, then other banks and even business lenders see you as responsible, trustworthy, experienced, low risk, and fundable. Chase is like a stamp of approval on your entire credit life. It says this person deserves more, and lenders listen. So why these 2 cards together bring power to your credit profile? This may be a question that you're asking. Dwayne, why do these 2 cards? Why not something else? Well, the answer is simple. Capital One and Chase cover the 2 major stages of your credit journey. Let's break it down. Capital One equals the builder stage. This is where you grow your scores, build trust, create history, learn discipline, strengthen your profile. Capital One helps you enter that game. They accept people with lower scores. They give second chances. They teach you responsibility. They help you rise. They are the card that says, I believe in your potential. Chase equals the power stage. This is where you get stronger limits, even earn major bank respect, build a power profile, prepare for business credit, become fundable, move into higher levels. Chase helps you win the game. When you reach the 700s, Chase gives you the credit that carries big weight and opens the door to business funding, credit lines, and more opportunities. Together, these 2 cards give you the perfect balance. One lifts you up, one pushes you forward. Both change your credit story. Now, how these cards add real weight to your profile? Let's break it down. Let's talk about weight in a simple way. Think of your credit profile like a backpack. Every item inside the backpack tells a story. Some items are light, some items are heavy. Capital One adds good weight because it shows you can grow. You can manage your card. You can stay disciplined. Chase adds heavy weight because it shows you've earned the trust from a major lender. You can handle big limits. You can qualify for advanced credit products. Lenders look in that backpack and say, wow, This person can handle real responsibility. That's what makes your credit profile strong. Now, how should you use these cards the right way? Let me share this key with you. A credit card does not build you. Your behavior builds you. So if you want Capital One and Chase to help you rise, you have to follow two very simple rules. Rule number one, use the newest card only. This is one of the most important things I teach. Whenever you get a new card, you only use the newest card. Why? Because the newest card needs activity to grow the fastest. Older cards only need tiny activity to stay open. So get Capital One, use Capital One only. Keep the others open but quiet. And when Chase comes later, retire Capital One. Now use Chase only. Keep the rest open but quiet. This pattern grows your score faster than anything else. Rule number two, keep your utilization under 10% on your statement date. This part is simple. When your statement closes, your balance should be under 10% of your limit, not your due date, not any date, your statement date. If your limit is 1,000, your balance should be under 100. This one move helps you raise your score, increase approvals, show discipline, gain trust, and grow your limits. The banks reward people who keep their utilization low. Now, let's get this all together and let me be a coach for just a moment. You're not far from your next level. You're not stuck. You're not too behind. You're not too late. Your credit can change. Your life can change. Your story can change. And these two cards, Capital One and Chase, can help you get there. Credit is not about being perfect. It's about being willing to grow. It's about believing in yourself, feeling the change before it happens, and acting in a way that lines up with who you want to be. That's the believe, feel, act pattern that I teach. When you follow that pattern, your credit follows you upward. You are closer to the life you want than you think. Now, here's your next step. If you're in the 600s, go after Capital One. If you're in the 700s, go after Chase. These two moves alone can reshape your entire credit future. If you want help building, correcting, or funding your life and business, that's what I do every day. I help people move from struggle to strength, from confusion to clarity, from small limits to real power. So reach out. Look at the description for this video. Let's talk. Let's build your credit. Let's get you funded. And let's move you toward the life that has been waiting on you. Your future's not far away. It's right in front of you, and these two cards can help you reach it. Be blessed. I look forward to talking to you real soon.